We begin with breaking news from southeastern Spain, where devastating flash floods have claimed at least 51 lives following torrential rain. The situation remains critical as rescue efforts continue. In the town of Chiva, near Valencia, over a year's worth of rain fell in just 8 hours. Local officials are now struggling to determine the final death toll. Stating it is impossible to provide an accurate figure at this time. Social media footage reveals the chaos as floodwaters wreak havoc across the region. Bridges have collapsed, cars have been swept away, and many residents are desperately clinging to safety. The priority right now is to find those missing. We are using drones to assist in our search efforts. Over 1,000 troops have been deployed to aid in rescue operations, as many individuals remain unaccounted for. Reports indicate that damage and casualties have also been reported in the Balearic Islands, as emergency services struggle to reach those in need. They have received hundreds of calls from individuals trapped in flooded areas or searching for loved ones. Authorities have established an emergency hotline for reporting missing persons, while police urge residents to stay indoors for their safety. Extreme weather events like this are becoming more frequent due to climate change. The world has already warmed by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius since the industrial era began. The Spanish Weather Service has issued a red alert for Valencia and a high alert for parts of Andalusia. Transportation has also been severely disrupted, with flights diverted and train services suspended. We will continue to monitor this developing story and provide updates as they become available. Our thoughts are with those affected by this tragic event. Stay safe and stay tuned for more news after the break.